Friends, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will tell and show you how you can easily create stickers in the Messages application on iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, be sure to put likes under this video, and also write your comments after watching. So, friends, let's get started. And first of all, open up, of course, the messaging app itself. Next, go to absolutely any conversation with a person. Now in the conversation, you'll need to click on this plus sign next to the message bar. Next, select the sticker section. Now friends, in order to create a sticker, as you can see I have one already created, and in order to create a new one, you're gonna have to click on this plus. So you will go to the camera and here you will need to select absolutely any image. Now you'll need to wait, as you can see, a second or two, for your iPhone to select some of the images as stickers. If you're happy with the sticker you've created, click Add. And so now you'll have a new sticker added that you can send in your messages. This way, friends, you can quickly and easily create stickers in the messaging app on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes and write your comments. See you soon.